Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see all posts you have liked on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, the thing would be you have to access your particular Facebook app first. Once you have accessed it, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? Simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon with three horizontal line on top right corner of the screen. Now again, tap on this gear icon on top. Now scroll down to the bottom till you find this option of your activity, including this option of activity log. Now tap on it. Here in this section you can see your activity across Facebook, which includes your activity on Facebook, including posts that you have created, likes, and other interaction activity you're tagged in, your group videos that you have watched, and more, which we need. Now tap on this drop down icon and tap on this comments and reactions and likes. That you can see that icon. Tap on this manage comments and reactions, and once you have tapped on it, now you can see wherever you have reacted, liked on any of the posts, you will find the interactions just right over here, including all of the posts. If you tap on this three dot icon beside it, you will be able to access that post just by tapping on it. And if you tap on this icon, now you can simply save video, cast video, and copy link, etc., whatever you want. So that is the way you can see it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.